This is a quick video to show you how to prime any of our cooling shirts with our Cypher micro cooler system using the rapid release kit. It's going to be a little bit different than our breakaway couplings that we have, the flow locks or the no drip connectors. So let me just put this together for you and show you how this is going to work. First, I want to start by filling the reservoir. It's obviously external for the Cypher. Cypher uses 25% no mix. It's a ready mix formula that's available on our website. You want to fill that up to about 3/4 at least, just like that. On the fittings, you'll see that there's flow indicators. You just want to make sure you match those up so that the flow is going through the system the right way, because inside the bottle there's a filter and that catches any debris that may have gotten into your bottle and keep it out of your system. One's going to go from the shirt to the system directly, and then as you can see there's a flow arrow pointing through here. Now it doesn't matter how it flows through the shirt, it only matters how it flows through the bottle itself. So you want to make sure that this arrow pointing this way goes to the flow arrow pointing that way, and then this flow arrow goes this way. All right, and you can kind of see how that's connected. And then all you have to do from there is grab the remote control, turn the system on, and you can see the coolant flowing through the shirt. And also with the bottle, you'll notice that most of the coolant has come out and the coolant is flowing. And once there's no more bubbles coming out of the system, you know that it's good to go. So usually 10-15 seconds is all you need. I like to leave it for 30 to be safe. But since there's no more bubbles coming through, we can go ahead and shut that off. Disconnect our connectors. Set this to the side. And then the system's ready to go. So now you would just run the system like you would normally. And that's it. If you have any more questions about our rapid release system and connecting it to our Cypher Pro system, give us a call at Chillout Systems or visit us on the web at chilloutmotorsports.com.